The strength, the pride, the glory of India's defense and aerospace production. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. For 8 decades, HAL has been a proud leader in India's defense and aerospace sector. With its cutting-edge design, production, repair and upgrade facilities, HAL has been a driving force in the industry with its Make in India initiatives. Avionics is the major constituent of modern-day aircraft, and HAL has dedicated R&D centers to cater to the modern-day needs. Equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and pool of talented manpower, the R&D centers provide a complete package for a wide range of indigenously designed, developed, qualified and reliable systems and solutions for avionics, loaded with features of safety, efficiency, attack, defense and all-weather operations. Identification systems are integral for ensuring situational awareness, contributing to operational security and coordination in aviation and maritime surveillance. Key components in this category include IFF transponder, automatic identification systems, combined interrogator and transponder, and its proposed upgrades. These systems enable the recognition and differentiation of friendly and hostile entities. Navigation systems are crucial for safe aircraft trajectory, guiding along planned routes, providing accurate altitude information, and ensuring precise landings. Systems like VHF Omni Range, Instrument Landing System, VOR-ILS, radio altimeter and tactical air navigation simplify pilot workload by providing accurate runway approaches for both civil and military aircrafts. Aircraft communication systems ensure secure voice and data transmission for safe flight operations. We provide systems like software-defined radio, advanced communication systems, AI-driven voice-activated command system, digital audio management systems that helps in secure air and ground communications. Selective calling unit allows targeted communication via HF, VHF radio bands. Aircraft utility systems optimize real-time engine operation, manages fuel flow for unmanned vehicles, and computes critical flight parameters, ensuring accurate command and control. Our utility systems, including full authority digital engine control, twin engine control unit, and air data computer, are vital for overall functionality, safety, and performance. State-of-the-art recording systems like solid-state digital video recording system, cockpit voice and flight data recorders, and deployable recorders store and playback audio, instrument readings and crew communications to provide valuable insights into flight events for enhanced aviation safety and post-flight analysis. We provide a comprehensive range of mission planning and debriefing systems for better planning and execution of missions. Our state-of-the-art 3D ground replay station 3D GRS provides extensive and comprehensive debriefing solution. Automatic flight control system with in-house designed control law, hardware and software, and flight safety critical control systems are offered for hands-free flying and focus on mission. Tactical systems helps in triggering tactical weapons, providing altitude information, monitoring and releasing conventional and smart weapons and alerting weapon disconnection. We provide systems like radio proximity fuse, solid-state weapon control system, pylon actuating unit and detection and indication unit. HAL offers wide range of indigenously designed and developed advanced technology mission systems and integrated solutions for enhancing the technical and operational capabilities of the existing fleet with upgrades. We provide systems such as mission computers, interface computers, display mission computers, digital map generators, electronic flight and display system, pilot control unit, electronic displays, voice activated and command systems. HAL upgraded and commissioned the Air Combat Simulator, Navigation and Weapon Systems Mission Simulator, Mirage Mission Simulator and Avionics Part Task Trainer. We also offer fixed and full motion simulators for various aircraft and helicopter platforms. Come, join us in our journey of innovation and creation of world-class avionics systems and solutions. Partner with us and cherish the pride of ATMANIRBHARTA. Let's soar higher and higher together.